Today on the farm is an exciting day because we put the gate up to the Wildflower farm, and that allows us to extend our fence all the way down what is the right side of the center aisle, and it means we can expand into a full half-acre wildflower farm. These are some of the flowers we put to bed in the Wildflower farm. We knew it was only for one season, but we needed my mom's flowers to be okay throughout the winter. So in the fall, we put in her iris, which you can see how many there are. We went ahead and separated them pretty well. Her iris, her spiderwort, her daylilies, and her hydrangea. And we knew that they were safe for the winter. I have the best memories of my mom pulling up in my driveway in her car. She would open the trunk and it would be absolutely full of plants. And then we would be hip to hip in the garden, working in the soil, putting in the plants at my home. I will never forget it, and I always tell my grandchildren about these plants and my children so that they know exactly where they came from. A lot of these iris came from my grandma, and they came from her mom. So her mom passed them down to her, she passed them down to my mom, and she passed them down to me. And so now we just keep the line going on and on. I actually have a hosta from my great-grandmother that this line of hosta in our family is over 100 years old. All you have to do, friends, is keep dividing your plants and sharing them with your family. Thanks for hanging out with us on the farm today. Make sure you follow along and subscribe as we learn how to live our slower life.